Welcome to HB classes. This is Ari Babu. Today we are going to learn about the probability. What is probability? The simple definition of the probability is possibility of outcomes. Possibility of outcomes. Now, for example, if you toss the coin, how many possibilities are there? There are the two possibilities, either head or tail can happen it. Now in the similarly, the random of picking the balls from the bag. This is also what different colors randomly we can able to pick it up. This is possibilities there. Now if two persons are participated in the game, we know that only one person is going to win. This is what the possibility of winning, the possibility of losing it. So sometimes we might notice when the cricket match was going, they will give approximate chances of winning the particular team. And they will show in the form of the graphically, the winning chances, the losing chances, according to the number of wickets, according to the number of balls, they can able to identify it. And similarly, now here also, the probability means what is the possible chances of outcomes? What is the possible chances of happening? This is we are going to learn about the probability. So now we look at the one question. A bag contains 3 white balls, 5 black balls and 2 red balls. How many balls are there? 3 white balls. We'll write it here. White balls, 3 black balls, 5 red balls are 2. Now here is 3 white balls and 5 black balls, 2 red balls. Now we'll find it as a total number of balls. Total number of balls. How many balls are there? Total 10. 3 plus 5 plus 2, you are getting 10. Now this is very simple one. So usually this chapter they will ask 3 mark or 6 marks in board examination. Because these questions are very simple and easy to understand. Now look at the next part. So all of the same shape and same size. All the balls are the same shape and same size. A ball is drawn from the bag without looking into it. So you are randomly picking from the ball without looking at it. So find the probability that the ball is drawn is. So these kind of questions, what we are going to do is, now the first question says is a black ball. So the same question I am going to use it. So whenever you are solving as a probability, put P bracket like this. This is what P means, probability of a black ball. Probability of a black ball. How many black balls are there? 5 is there. So now I am writing as a 5 black balls. Total number of balls are what? 10 balls are there. So that means 5 chances are there to pick the black ball from all the number of balls. That is 5 by 10. So make it into the lowest terms. That is 1 by 2. Now here another important thing is, so some of the students in the board examination 5 by 12, 5 by 10 they will write it and they will leave it. While the examiner correcting, if the answer is written by 5 by 10, they will not give you the marks because they will expect it as a 1 by 2. That means we need to make it into the lowest term, then only you are going to get the marks in the board examination. The second one, probability of red ball. Probability of red ball. How many red balls are there? 2 are there out of 10. So that is 1 by 5. 2 ones are 2 fives are. Next, probability of a white ball. How many white balls are there? 3 out of 10. That is the answer. Because we cannot make it into the lowest terms. Next, probability of not a red ball. Probability of not a red ball. Probability of not a red ball means either it can be white ball or it can be black ball. So how many possibilities are there? Except red ball, how many possibilities are there? 3 plus 5, that is 8 out of 10. So make it into the lowest term, 4 by 5. The next one, probability of not a black ball. Probability of not a black ball, except the black ball remaining. So white balls are 3, red balls are 2. Total is 5 out of 10. That is, we can write 1 by 2. So always remember, whenever you are writing, we need to write into the lowest terms. When you write into the lowest term, then only they will consider this answer is the correct. Less than 3, greater than or equal to 4, less than 8, greater than 6. These are the 4 questions. Now what is the dice? Usually we know that at home we play with the games with the using as a die. Now our question is what? Die has how many faces? Die has how many faces? 6 faces are there. Die has 6 faces. So sometimes while you are playing as a die, then we are using as a dots also. Sometimes they will be mentioned the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the numbers are going to mention. So sometimes they will put the dot on this. If the shape of the die is like this, then they will put the numbers on that. 1, 2, 3, like this they will put the numbers on this. They can be able to add it. Now we'll solve it. Probability of less than 3. Probability of less than 3. So we know that there are the 6 faces are there. Less than 3. Less than 3, how many possibilities are there? Less than 3, how many possibilities are there? 2. Out of how many? Out of 6. Because a die has the 6 faces, then we are writing 2 out of 6. That is 1 by 3. Now similarly, probability of greater than or equal to 4. Greater than or equal to 4. Now look at the question. The greater than or equal to 4. Then how many possibilities are there? Here they have given us equal to 4. The number should be bigger than 4 or equal to 4. How many possibilities are there? 4, 5, 6. Then we can write 3 out of 6. That is, we can write 1 by 2. Because here the question is greater than or equal to 4. Greater than or equal to 4. The number should be 4 or bigger than 4. So the options will get it as what? 4, 5, 6. Next one. Probability of less than 8. Probability of less than 8. Less than 8, how many will be there? 6 possibilities are there. Out of 6, that is a 1. So now look at here. This question, most of the students usually they will do the mistake. Less than 8 means immediately they will consider as 7 out of 6. Because we know that the die contain only the 6 faces. So that is the reason we are considering as a 6 out of 6. We will get the 1. Next, probability of greater than 6. Probability of greater than 6. How many values are there greater than 6? The die contains 6 faces. Greater than 6 is what? 0. 0 out of 6 possibilities, that is 0. Look at here. 3 coins are tossed. Write all the possible outcomes find the probability of getting it. Now when you toss one coin, how many possibilities are there? Either head or tail. Either head or tail. If two coins are tossed, it can come head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. These are four possibilities are there. If one coin is there, two possibility. Two coin is there, four possibility. Three coins are there, eight possibilities. Now if you notice here, now I can write the formula as 2 raised to n. N I will write as a number of coins. Number of coins. Now if I consider for the one coin 2 raised to 1, that means 2 possibility. If I consider for the 2 coins 2 raised to 2, there is 4 possibility. If it is a 3 coins 2 raised to 3, that is 8 possibility. If 4 coins are there, 16. 5 coins are there, 32. But usually they don't ask in the board examination 4 coins or the 5 coins. Maximum they will ask 3 coins. Now here, this by using this formula also we can identify how many possibilities are there. How many possibilities are there? If 1 coin means 2 possibility. 2 coins means 4 possibility. 3 coins means 8 possibility. Now here, now what I am going to do, I will just teach how to remember this order. How to remember this order. Now what I am going to do, I will just write like that. The first I am writing as all the heads. First I am writing all the heads. Now what I am going to do, I will take the one tail. I will take the one tail. So this tail I am keeping it to the center. That means the position I am moving left towards to the left. So heads, T, heads. Then again this 2 will move to the one more position towards to the left. T, heads, heads. This is possible. Now next what I am going to do, I will keep one head, 2 tails. I will keep one head and 2 tails. This head I am rotating towards to the right hand side. So that means this place is moving to the next. Then it will get the THT. Next it will come as a TTH. Then at the last is all tails. So these are the 8 possibilities. Easy to remember. First keep it as all the head, last all the tail. So one T, take it this T, rotate it as a towards to the left. Then here you take it as a one head, rotate it towards to the right. Now we will come to the question. What is the question says? So we need to find exactly 2 heads. Probability of exactly 2 heads. Exactly 2 heads means only we have to look at from these outcomes only 2 heads. How many possibilities are there? Exactly 2 heads. 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 possibilities. Exactly 2 heads. That means how many possibilities are there? 3 out of 8. 3 out of 8. The next one. Probability of at least 2 heads. Here question is exactly. Exactly means we are going to take only the 2 heads. Here at least 2 heads. At least 2 heads means minimum should be 2 heads. Minimum should be 2 heads. Maximum can be anything. At least minimum should be 2 heads. Maximum can be anything. So can you tell me, so what is the possibility of count this? At least 2 heads. At least 2 heads means minimum 2 heads. Maximum can be anything. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because they said at least 2 heads. At least 2 heads means minimum should be 2 heads. Maximum can be any number. So total how many possibilities are there? 4 out of 8. That is 1 by 2. Next one. Probability of at most 2 heads. Probability of at most 2 heads. At most 2 heads means what? Maximum can be 2 heads. Minimum can be with head or without head. At most means maximum should be 2 heads. Maximum should be 2 heads. Minimum can be with head or without head. So that means what are the possibilities, sir? Except this. Maximum 2 heads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means what we are going to write here? Maximum, here it should be tail. It should be tail. So here is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You may can get doubt. Sir, here the question says at most 2 heads. Why we are considering as a tails? Because our question says maximum can be 2 head, minimum can be with head or without head also. So that means total possibilities is what? 7 out of 8. That means except this, remaining everything we have to consider. Even the head is there, head is not there, we are going to consider it. So next one, probability of all tails. Probability of all tails. All tails are how many are there? 1 is there out of 8. The last one, only 1 is there out of 8. Next one, probability of at least one tail. So at least one tail. So that means what? Minimum should be one tail. Minimum should be one tail. So that means how many possibilities are there? Except this, remaining every place at least one tail is there. Except this, remaining all the places at least one tail is there. So that is also 7 out of 8. 7 out of 8. Look at the question. From a well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards. 52 playing cards. One is drawn. Find the probability that the card drawn will be. They have given as a various questions. Now what we are going to do? Now if you notice here, we know that some of you already playing as a cards. You know how to play the cards. So total how many cards are there? 52 cards are there. Total 52 cards are there. So these 52 cards are divided into two categories. Divided into two categories. So first one is the black cards. The next one is the red cards. So total 52 are there. 52 divided into the two color. Black cards are 26. Red cards are 26. Now the black cards again divided into two categories. Spades, clubs. So here you will get the 30. Clubs also will be 30. The red cards are divided into two categories. First one is hearts. There are 13 hearts are there. The next one is the diamonds. This also 13 are there. So total 52 cards are there. 26 black cards, 26 red cards. The black cards are divided into two categories, spades and the clubs. The red cards are divided into hearts and diamond. So this is, you will get the 13 and 13. Now we are going to find the face cards. Total 12 face cards will be there. So what are the face cards? King, Queen, Jack. King, Queen, Jack. We call it as a face cards. So King, Queen, Jack will be there on the spades also, clubs also, hearts also, diamond also. So that means total 3 will be there on the each type. Total 12 cards are there. In this 12 face cards also, 6 will be black color, 6 will be red color. Now we'll come to the question, we'll be able to solve it. Probability of a BA black card. Probability of BA black card. How many black cards are there? 26. Out of 52. That is 1 by 2. The next one. Probability of not BA red card. Not BA red card means we are going to take it as a black cards. How many black cards are there? 26 out of 52. That is again you will get 1 by 2. Because not be a red card. Red card means except red card. Except red card means black cards. Next one. Probability of be a red card. How many red cards are there? 26 out of 52. That is again 1 by 2. The next one. Probability of a be a face card. How many face cards are there? 12 face cards are there out of 52. 4 3s are, 4 13s are. So 3 out of 13. Next, probability of be a face card of red color. Probability of be a face card of red color. Then how many are there? Red color cards are how many are there? 6 out of 52. Because face cards of red color will be there 6 in hearts and diamonds. Now cancel with the second table. 3 out of 26. I hope you understood. Thank you for watching.